FUDL 6-station rotary extrusion blow molding machine. This is the extrusion part, rotary part, auto deflashing unit, leak detector, and packaging unit. It starts with the uniform heating of plastic granules, which are plasticized using 3 screws. The impurities are removed via a filter before extrusion. Molten plastic forms a continuous tube, called a parison, through the die head. The rotary unit with 6 stations rotates slightly, and the next pair of molds takes its place. Compressed air inflates the parison against the mold walls. The extruded bottles are placed on a conveyor to the next phase. An auto deflashing unit removes the excess part from the containers. Then it goes through a leak detector. Finally, a batch of containers is packed and sent to the filling line or storage.